What's up, man? We in the city. WeezZz, what happened, man?
Long ass.
What happened, man, with the Willie?
Alright, so.
Alright, make a long story short, WeezZz.
Make a long story short, man.
They got me. Parking out in front of them clubs all the time, nigga. You think you the damn
They got me, man.
president out this month. They got a whole list.
Yeah. They're lucky I made it on the show, dog.
Yeah.
I would've smacked the glasses off the nigga who booted it, man.
Yeah. You said if you ran the show?
Nah. If I would've got caught on the show, they would've taken me.
Oh, yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I wish I
Smitty.
I would've been promoted.
Smitty Thepassenger, man. We out this bitch. This is just a regular. This is just a regular day for niggas. A crazy day.
I'm riding too.
Oh yeah, she's riding too.
Yes.
You wanna ride? You gotta show a nipple. I gotta see brown. That's good enough. That's good enough. That was good enough. BBO, bad bitches only. Me and Smitty starting the company. BBO, bad bitches only, man. Real rap.
BBL.
It's Crave, the leader.
Know that.
Mission accomplished though, because he comes back with it.
Know that. You're not giving nobody short, though.
As WeezZz tries to get the boot off his car. Watch as WeezZz attempts to get the boot off his car. You getting it off? You about to get the boot off for a rat? Watch as WeezZz attempts to get the boot off his car. Y'all need to get this on the tape. More about the whop him. What I gotta do to get this off the wheel? I got these cheeseburgers, man. Cheeseburgers. I got these cheeseburgers, man. What I gotta do to get this boot up and running?
He got the brand new Timberland boot on.
Yeah, he got the straight Tim.
Timberland just sponsored WeezZz.
Yeah, sponsor WeezZz. Well, you know we walking by getting a close-up of that, John. You can't really see it from here, but this shit is booted out.
It look like I'm at to ride everybody home.
Yeah,
man.
that's what it's looking like.
I had to go get the truck.
Cause Mar got an ACG.
It happened to me. It happened to him. His is on video though.
Yeah,
So.
this shit is on video. This might dead Mar's career. We can't do this. Ain't you the bull who hosts Pinnacle? How you got the bull?
They ain't pay you.
How you tri-state #1 with the boot?
Tri-state #1 boot.
Yeah, that boy tri-state #1 boot.
We gotta do a song called Boot.
Yeah, boot. That nigga got the boot.
Got the boot.
Got the boot.
Got the boot.
He got the boot.
Got the boot.
He got the boot.
New boot.
Oh,
Shoot. Boot on
that's how
the
we
shoe.
coming.
Got the boot.
And
You
know
ain't
his
got
rims
breath.
got a yellow thing hanging off the bottom.
Yeah.
If you try to ride off, it's gonna stop him.
Damn.
Like cluck,
Cluck.
cluck. He gonna look out the window like fuck. They got me. My neck look like hockey pucks. Like,
The boot. That was a hot intro.
We got the boot.
The boot. It's the boot. You just about to.
Oh shit, I'm right in the middle of the street.
back at it.
Wait a minute, what's this? C36. What's going on this right here? Is that the boot? Universal boot. Whose car could this be?
Fits all.
The next question that comes to my mind is, whose car could this be? Do you know him?
Do you see the boot?
Maybe. Maybe not. Let's get a close up on this right here. Warning.
Damn. They OD with that shit.
By the Philly, how they gonna have a big ass warning?
You gotta take that sound.
Shit all unlocked.
Hey, Mark, who shit is this, dog?
I got the keys too.
Oh, and then they gonna have the joint stuck just to make sure a bitch remember.
Damn, they did the dirty, they glued the
Make
paper to your
sure a
wall.
bitch remember. You still got Arnie.
Watch out, yo.
Shouts to Mar with the boot.
The boot, man. Still one more close.
Happened to the Mar, say it happened to the best of us.
Happens to the best
Man,
of us,
happen to the
man.
best, man.
Out here.
That's how you know, man. I run through these Philly streets like it's nothing.
Feel me?
And I say, you know what?
Bag full of money,
if the bitch
baby.
Casey Anthony
We about to get this shit out
can
right
get away
now.
with killing a kid, why I can't get away with a motherfucking parking? You know what I'm saying?
A boot.
Fuck,
We about to get it
fuck
out right now,
that.
though.
I ain't
Bag
paying
full of money,
shit.
baby.
That, you feel
Bag
me?
full of money.
Duckets.
We about
Duckets
to, we
on
about to
deck.
tell them to take this and cop a Lambo. You know what I'm saying? Mar, but this is 1 hour promoting for Mar. Bag money. We out of here.